In this part we will make a new technique for modeling. We have many more techniques to make this, but I will make a new and easy technique. We will create slender like this. Then I can move this slender from the left view to I will make Alt X to see through. Now we can increase a little bit. Okay, we can decrease this radius like this. Okay, in this part I will put edit poly directly. I can remove these height segments, I don't need this. Only I need to put edit poly. Then I can select this polygon and delete this polygon. So I have slender closed from one side and open from the other side. Okay, now I can select the border and click shift, then move in the y-axis. Then I can scale this in different view. If I click Alt X to see through this, I have a little bit change from the two views, then so we can adjust in one view and then the other view. It's okay for me. Now we can shift and scale it again and move it to inside. Then from front I can again scale, shift and scale, and move this to up, and then I can scale again, shift and scale, move down, and then shift and scale and move it up and cap. In this part we need to make a little bit extrusion here, so I can select this and from edit, from edges I can edit and swift loop to put loop here, so I can extrude this loop and little bit and extrude it like this. It's okay. And I have this edge maybe, and this one, and I can little bit extrusion. It's okay. We need supported edges in all parts, here and here and here, here, to make smooth good. Okay, we can select this polygon and delete this. Then I can make this border. I'll select this border and shift scale, or I can now move little bit, shift move, and then shift scale and shift scale inner, then cap. Now we can select swift loop to make loops here and here and here. In all of these parts I make support edges to support, because I need to put mesh smooth without any problems. It's okay for me. Perfect. All things going to be good here. The only thing you need to make a mirror with copy in this side. Okay, then I need put slender here, like this. Can increase a little bit the radius, and I want to rotate this slender around this port. So we can come in the reference coordination system and pick this. I go to rotation and then pick this one, and in this part I will select use transform coordination center. So now I can rotate this cylinder around this part. I'll make a little bit rotation as the instance, and I can make more copies like this. Okay, perfect.